Today we're making chocolate chip cookies, or in Kai language, chocolate chip cookies. These are the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 125 grams of dairy milk, 150 grams of flour, 30 grams of cocoa powder. That means you probably won't be able to have any more hot chocolate. 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 125 grams of soft butter, 75 grams of dark brown sugar, 50 grams of caster sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg. We are using 350 grams of chocolate chips and small chunks of chocolate, and we're going to add some raisins to some. But you don't have to add raisins to your cookies if you don't want to. Or you could just use 350 grams of whatever chocolate you've got in the house. Before you start, put the oven on to 160 degrees if you've got a fan oven, but if not, 170 degrees. Melt the chocolate, not the chocolate chips or the chocolate chunks, but the chocolate in the microwave on a low heat, and make sure you take it out every 15 seconds and stir it a wee bit. That's it ready now. You can leave a bit of lump in it because it'll melt since the bowl should be still hot. Have I got any round my face?
No.
Measure out 150 grams of flour and then put it in a bowl. Now measure out 30 grams of cocoa and then put it in the bowl with 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate soda in the bowl, half a teaspoon of salt, then stir it around. Crack the egg, and then that's exactly how not to do it. Remember, always to crack the egg with a parent so they can clean it up if you fail. Now, crack the egg, try and get it in the cup, make sure there's no shell in, and then beat the egg. Get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, add it to the bowl with the egg. Get 125 grams of butter. Put it in the mixer. Measure out 50 grams of caster sugar. Add it to the mixer along with the butter. Then add 75 grams of dark brown sugar to the mixer. Turn the mixer on and let it mix.
Keep mixing till it's nice and creamy.
Add the chocolate to the mixer and mix together. Add the egg and vanilla extract and half of the mix inside of the bowl. Then mix. Pour in the remaining mix and whiz. It should be a sticky dough-like texture. A bit like this. Then take it out of the whizzy thing and put it in a bowl. Put your chocolate chips and chocolate chunky thingies in with the bowl and then mix them. Roll up the mix and put it into a baking tray. It would be easier if you used an ice cream scoop, and make sure they're spaced out and don't flatten them down. You've done that, put them into the oven.
Other way around?
Yeah, other way around. That's what I was going to do.
Watch your hands.
Yep, watch your hands. Time it for 18 minutes. Whilst we're waiting for the cookies to finish getting cooked, I would like to ask if you could please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. You could also watch my video I made on how to make a banana loaf. It'll be in the description. It's really good. It tastes so amazing. And make sure not to go because there's still more. And we got this idea from our friend Claire and Duncan. The link to their YouTube channel will be in the description if you want to watch them. Thank you for watching. Bye.